Here's my package from KS Studio. I've ordered 6 breadboards, solderless breadboards. Before unpacking, I will show you the breadboard from another seller. It was ordered some time ago and I've used it a lot of times, and now some contacts are loosey. It's not visible here, but sometimes I have problems with this. It's visually not accurate. You see this the paint is scratched, it's not accurately made, and well, it's my fault. But here okay, and you see the numbers has a strange order. They are not aligned. The 0 is between second and third, and here are the other numbers on this line doesn't correspond to this line. So if you are talking to somebody, hey, my element is on the A0, it can be here and here as well. So it's just details, but these details can be very important when you're working. And yes, these power rails are split, but it wasn't in the description. Okay, open it. Sorry for taking so long. Holding my tablet and unpacking in the same moment isn't very easy. Okay, let's see. Breadboards looks like it was filmed. I got a picture of actual items that I will get, and it looks pretty much the same as I've got in the chat. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 of this type, and 2 transparent as I wished. Okay, now I will make a little tests. Okay, let's start with this. I will take just one breadboard and test it. Sorry for this camera position. It's impossible to open it and hold it at the same time. Well, it's sealed. It's a good sign, maybe. Okay, it's opening really easy. Alright, and some minor, you see some minor wrinkles, it's okay. Unfortunately, I will not be disassembling it right now, but maybe later, maybe I even make a comparison between this and old breadboard. Okay, now let's check continuity tests as usual. Okay, here's my multimeter. Okay, this is continuity test. Okay, let's connect it here on power rail. And second, I'll try here. Fine. Well, what's this? Okay. Yes, contacts are a bit loosey. Maybe. Okay, fine. Here. Okay, now this, and I will make a here. Okay, well, okay, here it shows me ohms, not beeping each time. Okay, let's take it closer. Okay, now it connects. Yeah, the contacts are pretty loosey. Well, it's okay for this price, and maybe my wires for checking it are too long. I don't know. Some other wire. Let's take this wire. It's pretty thick, so it will be no doubt. If it will not work, it will be very strange. Okay, cool. Usual breadboard and wires connects well, so you will be fine. You will be feeling yourself okay while using this breadboard. Okay, now I will try to insert some resistors and capacitor just to check how it feels. Here's the capacitor. Okay, inserting it, and what can I say? It's not thin. Wires are not thin, so if you are using not very thin wires, it's okay, and I can measure it. Okay, let's check. Here and here. It shows me 62. Well, it's it must be like this because of these shitty wires. Okay, it's measuring, it's fine. Now I will check using a pretty thin resistor. Okay, random place. Okay, this row. Wow, this contact isn't loosey. The contacts are different, it's a bit strange. Maybe the power rails are loosey, but these are not. Wow, it's not uncertain. Wow, it's very stiff here, and I will try another roll by other contact. Oh, it's okay. It was okay, and it shows me my almost 1 mega ohm, like it should be. Okay, of course it's fine. What can I do else? I have pretty thin resistors, not here. Wait a bit, guys. Okay, this is 2.2k ohm resistor, 1%. 1% from Taiwan. I guess it has pretty thin legs. I call it mosquito legs, but actually these are not mosquito. I have some other resistors that maybe are thinner or maybe not. Okay, I'm inserting it here and we'll check. Here and this contact. Okay, fine. Working great. Okay, look, the worst thing is when if power rails has loosey contacts, then it may be worse to go with that. So I will check it here and this. Oh wow. Anyway, it showed me the right value. I will not be sticking it here. Okay, if I want to check it between rails, it stays very loosey. You can easily remove it just accidentally. You can push it out and it will be removed. Okay, but I will check it now. Okay, and it shows 2 and 2. Okay, sorry for this unfocusing. Okay. Okay, this particular breadboard is fine. For this money, it's really cool. Thank you. Next will be one transparent breadboard, but I guess it's the same quality. Okay, we'll check it now. Okay, it looks good. Trying to be in focus here. Okay. Okay, the same thing. I will just test how resistor will be sticking in it. It's pretty hard to focus on this board. One cone, bad. Because it's joke. Okay, here, sticking, yes, loosey. This board has a not so stiff contacts. Maybe it's not so. Maybe it's a bit worse, but looks fine. You know, the painting is really cool. It's, I don't know. I'm very picky person, and I can't say any bad thing about the painting on this breadboard. It's fine, completely fine. Okay, this contact and here stick it here, and of course it show me the right value. Oh well, I just forgot. I have these diodes with pretty thick legs. Now I will try to insert it. It's easy for this board. Okay. Now diode test. Anode and the cathode. Of course, it must be in reverse order. Okay, here. It's testing fine. I don't know why numbers are completely continuously changing. It must be because of these wires. These wires, cheap DuPont wires, guys, don't rely on them. Actually, avoid these crappy wires. These are cheap and not very useful. These are not from this guy. These wires I did bought in the previous place, and maybe from other seller, not like that cheapy, creepy breadboard. Okay. You know, some contacts here can be loosey, some contacts can be stiff. It's a bit strange, but of course for this price is okay. It's not 3M board. It's not 3M breadboards. .3M is a high league, I suppose. One day I will buy it. Okay, now I'll check on this breadboard that was shown previously. How can I insert the diode? I'm inserting by fingers because here no other components. It's easy. It's not easy to insert it. Wow, it's really stiff. Really very stiff. Wow, I must say these thick legs are not for these breadboards. Wow. First and second. Okay, I will take my tweezers. No, it's not fine. Okay, check the other row. Okay, this another row is fine. So some rows can be stiff, some rows can be loosey. It's not a big deal about that. I can't tell it's a big con, it's okay. The power rails are much more loosey than the rows. The profit of this is that probably this breadboard will be serving you much longer time. Or maybe not. Yeah, some points are impossible to insert by fingers. I'll check it by tweezers. Oh. Really hard. Very hard. Very hard. You can use it as a, this thing to on bags. I don't remember that word, guys, sorry. It's ручка in Russian. Okay. Here. Some contacts are fine, some are stiff. Maybe it's better than loosey contacts at start. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope it wasn't too long. I hope you use it fast forward, that is available while you're using YouTube. So I may say I can recommend the case Studio. By the way, the guy is very I just wanted to tell you that the guy from Case Studio is very social. He always asks any of your stupid questions. My stupid questions was, I'm very picky and I asked him to show me the exact item that I will get. And he did. I didn't pay it for that. I mean that it was before the payment. He made a photograph and I said, okay, fine, I'll take 6. Go. Good luck. Bye bye.